number 12. Tangible talk.
Page number? Page number 12.
Page number 12. Tangible talk.
Today you have to read page number 12. No, you have to read after Miracles of Light. Miracles of Light I had taught. Today you will read about the scientist. Okay, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Today you will read about scientist. Miracles of Light you have already read. So you see, I will teach you about scientist. Should I start scientist?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great scientists. The credit of our country's progress and development goes to hard working and dedication and intelligence of our scientists to a large extent. You should know, children, that the development of the country and the progress of the country is too much dependent on the dedication of the great scientist. Okay? So country's progress and development depends on the dedication and intelligence of our scientists. Given below are in column A are the contributions of some of the leading scientists, and in column B are their names. Match the contribution with the correct name. In column A, what contribution is given by the great scientist, and in column B, name of the scientist is written. You have to match it. Okay? Like first one is, he was an Indian American biochemist who received the Nobel Prize for Physiology in 1968 for interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Children, you should know that genetic code plays very important role in the function of protein synthesis, and it was discovered by Khurana. Okay, and he had received Nobel Prize for it. Name of the scientist is Hargobind Khurana.
Hargobind Khurana.
Yes, you will memorize name and their contribution. In contribution, you can memorize in short, like genetic code. He had discovered genetic code, and for this he was awarded Nobel Prize. Okay, and genetic code plays very important role in protein synthesis. So main thing you have to keep in mind is genetic code. And next is, he was an Indian physicist born in Tamil Nadu. In 1930, he was honored with Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering of light and for the discovery of the Raman effect. It was Sir C.V. Raman. Okay, children, he had discovered Raman effect. Once he was coming back from Europe and he saw that the color of the sea is blue. He started to think why the color of sea is blue. And after many years, by his full effort, he discovered scattering effect of light, that is Raman effect was discovered, and it was discovered on 28th February. Okay, and on this day we celebrate National Science Day on 28th February in the memory of Sir C.V. Raman. He had contributed Raman effect. So to mark his memory on 28th February, every day we celebrate National Science Day. Did you understand, children? To mark the discovery of Raman effect, every day on 28th February we celebrate National Science Day. Okay, because on this day he had discovered Raman effect on 28th February. So what is the name of this Indian physicist? He was born in Tamil Nadu. He was Sir C.V. Raman. Did you understand? हर साल हम लोग 28 फरवरी को नेशनल साइंस डे बनाते हैं उनकी याद में। इसी दिन उन्होंने रमन इफेक्ट का डिस्कवरी किया था। ठीक है, तो ये रमन
28 फरवरी को उनका जन्म हुआ था।
किसका?
सीवी रमन का।
सीवी रमन ने इसी दिन डिस्कवरी किया था रमन इफेक्ट का। इसीलिए जो है ना हम लोग इस दिन नेशनल साइंस डे मनाते हैं। गवर्नमेंट इस दिन को नेशनल साइंस डे डिक्लेयर की है। ठीक है, तो हर साल इस दिन वी ऑर्गेनाइज साइंस क्विज और साइंस डिबेट और स्पीच ऑन एनी साइंटिफिक टॉपिक, साइंटिफिक टर्म, ओके, और वी ऑर्गेनाइज साइंस एग्जीबिशन। सो दिस डे इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। विच डे? 28 फरवरी, नेशनल साइंस डे। ठीक है, सीवी रमन की याद में उन्होंने क्या डिस्कवरी किया? रमन इफेक्ट। नेक्स्ट, थर्ड नंबर, ही वॉज इंडिया बॉर्न US physicist who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983 for his work on astrophysics. He was Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Okay, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He was India born US physicist. ठीक है, US के फिजिसिस्ट थे और उनका जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? इंडिया में हुआ था। और उनको नोबेल प्राइज़ भी मिला 1983 में एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स में काम करने के लिए। एम आई क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नेक्स्ट इज in 2009 he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for the study of structure and function of ribosome. Ribosome plays very important role in protein synthesis, and this ribosome, the structure and function of ribosome was discovered by V. Ramakrishnan. V. Ramakrishnan. Next, 5 number. In 1975, India's first satellite Aryabhat was launched under his guidance. It was Vikram Sarabhai. He had discovered first Indian satellite Aryabhat. Can you name some other Indian satellite, children? Rohini, Apple, Insat.
Apollo.
Yes. So, first Indian satellite Aryabhat was discovered by whom? Vikram Sarabhai. Okay. Next, 6 number. He was an eminent Indian scientist, also known as the father of Indian pharmaceuticals. He invented mercurous nitric and also extracted several of its derivatives. He was eminent Indian scientist, also known as the father of Indian pharmaceuticals. He invented mercurous nitric and also extracted several of its derivatives. He was Praful Chandra Ray. Praful Chandra Ray, also known as father of Indian pharmaceuticals. Next, he was an Indian ornithologist. Ornithologist means one who studies about the birds. Okay, one who studies about the birds is called ornithologist. He was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, popularly known as the Birdman of India. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1958 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1976. Who was he? He was Salim Ali. Okay, Salim Ali. Indian ornithologist and naturalist also. He is known as Birdman of India. Next, a renowned Indian nuclear physicist who is regarded as the father of nuclear program of the country. He was the founding director of two research institutions, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Who was he? Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Okay, children? A renowned Indian nuclear physicist. He is regarded as the father of nuclear program of the country. He was the founding director of two research institutes. You know BARC. BARC means Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Father of nuclear program. He was Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Next. So you came to know about eminent scientist children like Homi Jahangir Bhabha, C.V. Raman, Salim Ali, Hargobind Khurana. Names of these scientists you have to memorize and what was discovered by them, and if they are known as father of something, that also you should keep in mind. Like who is known as Birdman of India? Tell me.
Salim Ali.
Salim Ali, very good. He is known as Birdman of India. So you have to memorize. Who had discovered BARC Institute? Bhabha, BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Yes, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. And TIFR.
That's also Homi Jahangir Bhabha.
Yes, very good. So about scientists you should memorize. Okay. Now next topic is close encounter with planets. All of you know that planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Okay, you know, all of you have read solar system. Sun is the member of that solar system, and the planets revolve around the sun in their elliptical path called orbits. Okay, children, sun is the main member of the solar system, and around the sun different planets revolve in a definite elliptical path called orbits. So these orbits revolve around the sun as the electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, children, so planets also revolve around the sun, and all of you know that Pluto is now not a planet, it is a dwarf planet. Okay, so how many planets are there? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All these are the planets, and these planets revolve around the sun. Some of these planets are nearer to the sun and some of these planets are away from the sun. Okay, the planets which are nearer to the sun, they are called terrestrial planets, and the planets which are farther from the sun, they are called Jovian planets. Two types of planets are there, terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, these are terrestrial planets. They have solid and rocky surface. Okay, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these are Jovian planets. Did you understand, children? Two types of planets, terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets are mainly made of solid and rocky surface, and Jovian planets are mainly made of gases. There is difference. Terrestrial planets are nearer to the sun and Jovian planets are farther from the sun. From Jupiter onwards means Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these are Jovian planets. Okay, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So today you will learn something about planet. That is why I told you how many types of planets are there.
8.
Two types. Type of planets are two, terrestrial planet and Jovian planet. Terrestrial planets have rocky surface. They are solid and rocky surface they have. And Jovian planets are mainly made of gases. Terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay? Which planet is known as morning or evening star? Mercury and Venus. These things you will read later. Right now you see what is given in this chapter. Great scientist, all of you will memorize. Okay? Now see, close encounter with planets. With the advent of space age, many fascinating facts related to the mysterious planets have appeared before us. Given below are a few facts regarding the giant planet and red planet. You know which planet is called red planet? Mars is called red planet because it is red in color. Why it is red in color? Due to presence of iron oxide. Okay? So, you will read about these planets. Read carefully the given statement and fill in the blanks with appropriate answers from the help box. First one is Jupiter. You have to read about Jupiter. Okay? Are you following, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Firstly, you will read about Jupiter. Jupiter is the dash planet from the sun. It is fifth planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. It is fifth planet. Okay? Written fifth. Next, Jupiter takes 11.86 Earth years to complete one orbit. Write down. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill 11.86. Next, third number. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is dash kilometer. 1,42,800 kilometer. 1,42,800 kilometer. Third number. Jupiter is so big that 1,300 Earths cloud fit within its volume. You know, children, the largest planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet, and hottest planet is Venus, and red planet is Mars. Did you understand? Jupiter is the largest planet. So 1,300 Earths can fit in this Jupiter planet. Next, 5 number. Jupiter, despite its massive size, is only
13,000 Earths.
Yes, 13,000 Earths can fit in it. Fifth number. Jupiter, despite its massive size, is only 318 times heavier than Earth because of its density. You have to fill 318. Next, 6 number. A day on Jupiter is just 9 hours and 50 minutes long, making it the shortest day in the solar system. One day is only 9 hours 50 minutes. So it is the shortest day in the solar system. 7th number. Jupiter has 67 known moons. It has 4 major moons which are collectively known as the Galilean moons. 4 major size moons are called Galilean moons. There are 67 moons. Out of these, 4 are large size and they are called Galilean moons. It's which moon is the largest in the solar system? Ganymede. Ganymede moon is the largest in the solar system. Last one. A year on Jupiter lasts for almost 10,400 days. 10,400 days. So all of you have written, children. Have you understood? About Jupiter, you have read many things. Have you filled all the blanks? Children, did you understand? About Jupiter, have you written everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you take time in response? You should respond immediately. Now you will see next page. Which page number? Now which page number will be started? Today you read major endocrine glands, children. Now you will read major endocrine glands, page number 30. Just now you have read about scientists and you have also read about planets. Which planet you have read? Now firstly I will raise question, then I will start new topic. All of you turn on your video. Satvik Singh.
मैम आज बोली थी कि न्यूज़पेपर में जो भी हमारे घर पे आता है उससे क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए.
हाँ, तो आर यू प्रिपेयर्ड?
यस मैम.
ऑन विच टॉपिक? Satvik Singh, turn on your video.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Just now you have read about scientists. Can you name two scientists with their contribution in science who received Nobel Prize? Can you name two eminent scientists who received Nobel Prize for his contribution in science? Only two scientists I am asking. Okay, today you will memorize and next day you will reply. Okay? After planet, which page number is to be started? Just now tell me. Which page number?
मैं पेज नंबर 36.
Page number?
36.
36. Okay. Just now I will start.
मैम राजनीति मुद्दों से ही पूछ सकती है ना अगले क्लास में?
Yes, in next class I will ask. Now you will see plant diseases. Next topic is plant diseases. No, before that one topic is there. That is this you have not read about Mars. About Mars also it is given. All of you see. Before that Jupiter you have read. Now you will see Mars, Mangal. In Hindi it is called Mangal. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is named after Mars, the Roman god of war. Okay? So, in fill in the blanks, have you written fourth planet from the Sun? And its name is derived from the Roman god of war. The Roman god of war is called Mars. So, this name is from the Roman god of war. Second, the period of revolution of Mars around the Sun is 687 Earth days. Next, the diameter of Mars is 6,787 kilometer. The diameter of Mars is 6,787 kilometer. Fourth number, the surface gravity of Mars is about -% of the gravity found on the Earth. It is 38% of the gravity found on Earth. Next, the average temperature on Mars ranges widely from 150, you have to fill 150 K at the winter pole to 310 K on the day side during summer. Next, Mars has seasons like the Earth has, but they last twice as long. This is because Mars is tilted on its axis by about 25.19 degree. Okay, so in this fill in the blanks you have to write twice. Next, Mars has two moons, Deimos and Phobos, which were discovered in 1877 by an American astronomer, Asaph Hall. Next, the atmosphere of Mars is about 100 times thinner than the Earth and it has 95% carbon dioxide. Okay, children? So, about Mars you have read. Deimos and Phobos are the moon of Mars. Very important. And Mars is known as red planet because of presence of iron oxide. So, two planets you have read in detail, that is Jupiter and Mars. All of you will memorize this planet and great scientists. Thank you, children.